Hello everyone, I am Muhammad Uzair. You are watching Geopulse Analysis. For centuries, the Arctic was seen as a frozen and distant part of the world. But today, something is changing. As ice melts and new shipping routes and resources become more accessible, the Arctic is becoming a new central of global competition. So, why are major powers paying so much attention to this frozen region? Let's find out. The Arctic is important because beneath and around its frozen landscape lie valuable natural resources. The region is believed to contain significant deposits of oil, natural gas, and minerals. But its importance goes far beyond resources. Its location also connects North America, Europe, and Asia. One of the biggest reasons for growing interest is transportation. As Arctic sea ice changes, northern shipping routes could provide alternative connections between major markets. For some journeys, these routes may reduce the distance compared with traditional routes through the Suez Canal. That could make Arctic increasingly important to global trade. The Arctic is not controlled by one country. Several nations have territory, maritime interest, or strategic concerns in the region. This makes Arctic cooperation and competition a major geopolitical issue. The Arctic is also becoming strategically important for national security. Russia has expanded military infrastructure in Arctic region while NATO countries are increasing their attention to northern defense. The reason is geography. The Arctic provides potential routes between major powers and is closely connected to missile warning, air defense, naval operations, and strategic military planning. The Arctic could become an important part of the world's future energy, transportation, and security systems. But greater activity also creates environmental risks and increases the possibility of geopolitical tension. The challenge will be finding a balance between economic opportunity, environmental protection, and international security. The Arctic may look empty on the map, but beneath its ice lies a region with enormous strategic importance. Resources, shipping routes, military positioning, and climate change are turning the far north into a new arena of global competition. Sometimes the most important places in the geopolitics are the ones that appear the quietest. I am Muhammad Uzair and this is Geopulse Analysis. Thank you for watching.